What are we cooking today? Today we are cooking chicken. See, I'm now proceed the recipes on how you will cook your chicken, parboil your chicken, steam your chicken very well. That to have taste. First of all, add your onions, add your pepper, your maggi, your seasoning, everything steam together. See, then put your maggi as much as you can. See, put your pepper, your spice, everything. Make sure it's steam well before you remove them. That is good. Also, chicken needs to fry very well. Either you want to fry it or you want to put it inside oven. You need to make it fry well. Allow it to dry well so that you can be able to eat it. Well, some people like drying their chicken very soft, some like drying it very dry. I don't know how you like your own chicken, so let us know in the comment section how you prefer your own chicken to be cooked, either dried or soft dried. Let's know in the comment section. Wow, this chicken is yummy. See how the color is looking so attractive. Yummy, 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 yummy. So watch this recipe. It's very delicious. As you can see, the vapor is coming out. The kitchen has turned into something else because of the vapor that is coming out from the kitchen. See, it's boiling. You add salt. You not add your salt immediately as you put your chicken on fire. You allow it to boil well before adding your salt. Not immediately you started parboiling your meat or your chicken, you add salt into it. No, you parboil it first. Allow the chicken to boil well before you can add a little salt inside. As you can see at this time now, everything has boiled well. Even the color of the chicken has already changed. The taste, everything is giving. Very nice. So this recipe is very good. Just follow this recipe as you prepare either your meat or your chicken. You will thank me later. This is good. And if you have not been subscribing to our channel, to our YouTube channel, please do as well to subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. We will always give you the best cooking video at that. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments. It's very important. Please do as well to support us. Now it's time to put the chicken inside oven to dry it. As you can see, I've put the chicken inside the oven. Yes, so that it will dry well for me to use it and cook my stew. Then cover the oven and on it. Alright, I see it. See, I see it. Now the face is looking attractive, very young. This is good. Yes. See the color, everything is given. Yeah, have you seen it? It's dry. The oven. When you are drying your chicken, don't forget to dry it with low heat. Don't dry it with high heat oven. This may burn all the chicken. So when you are drying your chicken, lower the heat small. Don't use 24-degree. Maybe you lower it to 200 or 100 and something so that it will be drying small. It will not get burnt. So see this one, everything is getting ready, but we need to allow it for some time to dry well, to dry well. Yes. It is time to bring it out. So it's very dry. The chicken shape, the best, everything is delicious. Not for some aroma now. Something else. The aroma is very nice start. So the chicken is ready now. Yeah, it's ready now. So come and join me. Come and join me. Come and taste this delicious chicken. Come and taste it. You will love it. You will love it. As you said before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.